Turns out being grateful not only makes you feel happier, it can have some positive physical benefits as well. Naturopathic Doctor Jacqui Fleury joins us this morning to talk about that. Good morning, Jacqui.
Good morning, Chris.
This is fascinating. Studies show grateful people get fewer headaches, have fewer digestive problems, and have fewer sleep issues. And sleep is actually one of the 4 areas we want to touch on today. So let's start there. What is the relationship between gratitude and a good night's sleep?
Well, it seems that when they've done studies of people who practice a daily gratitude routine, and typically when they're writing about what they're grateful for in their life, it seems that the quality of sleep is better. So they're having deeper sleeps, they're sleeping longer, and they're waking more rested, as well as they're able to measure decreases in their diastolic blood pressure. So there's some definite physical benefits to writing about what we're grateful for during the day.
So gratitude having a big impact on sleep. What do we know about the connection between gratitude and a healthy heart?
Well, it seems that in even just one study where they studied 70 patients who had stage B heart failure, even after 8 weeks of writing about what they're grateful for, they found that their blood pressure dropped and some markers of inflammation improved. And they also found an improvement in their heart rate variability, which means that their resiliency or their ability to buffer stress improved. So those are all predictors of a more favorable outcome when it comes to heart failure. So again, some really positive, quantifiable things that you can measure that we benefit from being grateful.
I find this just totally fascinating. This is really interesting, and we're running down the list, and we're also looking at how a healthy outlook and gratitude affect things like inflammation. What can you tell us about that?
Well, some of those inflammatory markers that they measured in those heart patients are also some of the same markers that are implicated in other chronic health conditions. And even Alzheimer's being one of them. So it seems that although psychologically there's a lot of benefits to being grateful and to having a gratitude practice, we're seeing these positive physical benefits. And so it even reaches into other chronic conditions.
Well, it definitely puts things into perspective, and looking at the areas that it can impact our lives. Gratitude can also lead to a healthy, intimate life. What do we know about intimacy and gratitude?
Well, it turns out that when you write about what you're grateful for in your partner, it actually improves the level of enthusiasm. So we're more enthusiastic when we feel good about our partners. We're more enthusiastic about wanting to do some of those things that enhance a healthy relationship and a healthy level of intimacy. So just one more reason to focus on those things that we can be grateful for, especially in a time when, it's easy to find things to worry about and to complain about right now. So.
Well, I was just going to say, and it is kind of be a gloomy time of year, and with everything going on with COVID right now, these are incredibly helpful points to take us through. Really appreciate you dropping by for that today. Thank you so much, Jacqui.
Thank you for having me.